In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a video clip in Slack. Recording a quick video message in Slack is a great way to explain something more clearly than you could in a long block of text, or to add a more personal touch when you're working remotely. Instead of typing everything out, you could just speak to the person or the team and they can watch your message whenever it's convenient for them. To get started, open Slack on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to send your message. Once Slack is open, the first thing you need to do is open a conversation. This could be a direct message with one person, a small group message, or a channel with your entire team. Just click on the conversation in the sidebar so that the chat window is front and center on your screen. After your conversation is open, look at the message box at the bottom of your screen where you would normally type your reply. Just below or inside the chat box, you'll see several small icons. Among them, there will be a video clip icon. Its exact appearance can change slightly depending on your app version, but it usually looks like a small video camera or something clearly related to recording. Click on that video clip icon, and when you do, Slack will prepare to record your video. The first time you use this feature, your browser or desktop app may ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. Make sure you allow those permissions or your video and audio won't be captured. It could help to quickly check that your webcam is pointed correctly and that your microphone input level looks healthy so your voice comes through clear. Once everything is ready, Slack will show you a preview window. You'll be able to see yourself on camera and verify that your background and lighting look okay. Take a moment to think about what you want to say so your message is clear and to the point. And when you're set, start recording using the on-screen controls. When you finish speaking, stop the recording. You'll usually get a short preview so you can make sure the sound and video look right, and if you're happy with it, go ahead and send it into the conversation just like a regular message. Your teammates will now be able to play back your video clip directly in Slack, making communication much faster and easier. But that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.